Every morning, we wake up with the same thoughts, feel the same emotions, make the same choices. And we call it life. I'm Will Bennett, and this is Understanding Free Will. So let's go deeper. Everyone has a behavioral pattern, a way of reacting. And most of the time, we don't question it because it feels familiar. Because our brain wants predictability, not happiness, not growth, just comfort. But something shifts when you don't follow the program. You create space. And in that space, free will shows up. 99% of people live inside a loop, living the same day over and over again. But the moment you realize this, the moment you notice the program, you step outside the box. You step into something bigger, your actual potential. Because every limitation you think you have, every direction your life has taken, was shaped by the choices you made, sometimes consciously, but mostly automatically. Let me ask you something. Do you recognize this in your own life? Those moments when you feel stuck, but you're not really stuck. You're simply repeating. So instead of talking about theory, let's observe it in real life, in ordinary moments, in decisions that seem insignificant, until they're not.
Alex comes home the same way he always does, tired, carrying the weight of the day. He sees the tension, he feels it, and without thinking, he reacts the way he always does. The voice gets sharper, the distance grows. Two people in the same room, slowly moving apart. That night, they lie in the same bed, but miles away from each other. And then, time rewinds. Same moment, same tension. But this time, Alex pauses. He realizes maybe what she needs isn't an answer, but safety. So he moves closer, and instead of reacting, he hugs her. But the pattern breaks, and something soft replaces the tension.
Are you ready to break the pattern? See you on the next episode of Understanding Free Will.